The Maginot Line. The Maginot Line was a huge encampment that the French Minister of War, André Maginot, developed in the 1930s. It included a series of obstacles, such as minefields and weapons of mass destruction. There were 200 large forts, known as ouvrages, and also 500 smaller above-ground forts. The ouvrages were underground fortifications. The ouvrages housed over 1,000 troops, while the smaller forts held only 200 men. Some people will think that the Maginot Line Some people think that the full Maginot Line was only the large and smaller forts, with it all heavily armed. But in some places, such as in the south of Béziers to Haguenau, where the terrain is steep and rocky, it basically provides its own artillery, so there's only a few small outposts. The French had a false sense of security because they thought the Maginot Line would protect them from the Nazis. Though the Maginot Line was strong, it still had two problems. First, it didn't go all the way around France, so the Nazis could just go around it. Second, it plainly wasn't mobile. This image, it shows the Maginot Line, or ouvrage, just a customary ouvrage. You can tell which direction the guns were facing and stuff, and yeah.